Hello, welcome everyone. Just showing you here how you actually start to organize layers. So really what you're gonna do is about to understand some things that is really to be satisfied, realized. If you see that it's really important on the progress where you are locally started to go for organizing layers. And okay, really what you're gonna do is about open layer panel, which is really right here. So for example, I have rectangle and the frame, triangle and the frame and circle. Here are three layers. Okay, now you can group them. For example, group rectangle, triangle and the frame. Maybe you can actually start to really clearly name any one of them, and also order layers from top to bottom logically. If you wanted to start to put a group above the circle, you can see the circle. If you put the group name, it's gonna be above it and not below it. If you put the circle above it, you will see the circle can be really above these groups. And that is all about how you actually started to use situation. And thank you guys for watching. If you see this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and goodbye.